Hello, dear children. I hope you all are very good. You have celebrated your Raksha Bandhan nicely, tied Rakhi to your brothers, and brothers gifted you with love. Few gifted with chocolates and all, right? Okay, after celebration, let's focus on our study. That we are studying bookshop. We have already read the poem and also collected all the rhyming words from the poems, right? So let's begin. So much to choose from. So here the writer or the poet, or you can say the young girl, she had visited to a library. Okay, she had visited to a library. There she found lots of books, so many books, and that is why she said that there are so many things to choose from the library or collection of books. So many books. She found that there were everywhere books, colorful books, different sizes books. Some are short, some are long, some are thick, some are thin in size. So there are many things, many books in that library, and she said that, and there are so many things to choose from that bookshelves. Let's take our time and sit down and look. And she said that, so let's give much time, and sit down quietly, think for a while, read the book, little book, introduction, and what book you need. After that, you will choose from the library, okay, or bookshop. So she had given much time because there are lots of books, and she was confused which book she should buy. Okay, see, when you go for shopping and all, and you find that lots of things are of your choices, right? So you think, I need to buy this one also, that one also, that one also, and you become confused which one you should take. So it happens with books. So when you find all the books are so good, nice to read, you need that book, so you get confused of which book you should take. And that books about princes and witches and fairies. That means it is your fantasy book, that means story book. In your story you read about princes, witches and fairies. What is the meaning of witches? You can say Chudel, Diane, that type of things, okay? Dharavni, that is. Then books about monsters and hairy, scary. And this is book about the horror story. Horror story, you understand? Dharavni story. You, right? And pop-up books to make you laugh. Pop-up books means that when you open the book, तो कुछ पिक्चर होता है वो खड़े हो जाते हैं, राइट? बीचों बीच होंगे, पेपर फोल्ड करो, ओपन करोगे पेजेस, तो वो खड़े हो जाते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज पॉपअप बुक्स, एंड इट इज फॉर लाफ. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? Very good. So I'm going to explain more about it. Waterproof books to take in the bath, and some are waterproof books. So there is no waterproof books in that. It is coated one, oil coated, you can say. If I show you this book, see, this is covered with the plastic one, so you can say this can be waterproof, but it doesn't mean that it will protect you from the what you call spoiled. Okay, it will spoil definitely, but little late. Books about making things and things to do, and some books are about things. That means art and craft wala book hoga, right? Things to make and do, art and craft wala book. Books about visit to the farm and the zoo, and some books about travel, farms, that means agricultural book, and some are about animals animals book, or zoo, you can say it's about zoos. Books about animals and insects and birds, that means it is your science book, है ना. साइंस बुक में होता है ना, एनिमल्स के बारे में, इंसेक्ट्स के बारे में, एंड बर्ड्स के बारे में. सो द बुक्स अबाउट साइंस. एंड सम बुक्स फुल ऑफ पिक्चर्स एंड बुक्स फुल ऑफ वर्ड्स. एंड पिक्चर्स बुक मतलब उस बुक में बस पेज पे बस पिक्चर्स दिखेंगे, और तुम्हें बुक पिक्चर्स को यू कैन से वन टाइप ऑफ कॉमिक बुक में क्या होता है, बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स ही देखने को मिलते हैं, और छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस लिखे होते हैं. बुक्स फुल ऑफ वर्ड्स. सो फुल ऑफ वर्ड कहाँ पे हमें मिलता है, फुल ऑफ वर्ड्स वाला बुक, डिक्शनरी. ओके, सो कुछ बुक्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कि डिक्शनरी वाला होते हैं. डिक्शनरी मतलब वर्ड्स वाले बुक होते हैं, जहाँ पे हम डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ड्स, देयर मीनिंग, यूजेस लर्न करते हैं. सो मच टू चूज फ्रॉम, लेट्स टेक आवर टाइम. ओके, so there are lots of things and it will take time to choose, so please be patient, give your time and choose the good book for yourself. How about this book? Now she is showing one book, and the book is about a book full of rhyme, that means poetry book you can say, or poem book she found, and that is फुल ऑफ राइम. देखो, हम भी एक पोइट्री पढ़ रहे हैं और पोएम पढ़ रहे हैं जहाँ पे राइम है. बुक्स, लुक्स, फेरी, स्कैरी, लाफ, बात, डू, जू, बर्ड्स, वर्ड्स, टाइम, राइम. सो राइम बुक्स, दैट मीन पोइट्री और पोएम बुक्स. सो शी डिसाइडेड टू राइट अबाउट द बुक शॉप. Who decided? Jenny Elizabeth Clark, the young girl. That time she wrote the poem about the books. Now very quickly I'll tell you the short summary of the book. The bookshop. So the poem bookshop is about a world of books as seen in a bookshop. The poet is so excited and fascinated by what? By the variety of books that are available in a book shop. Okay, and she found there are so much in that, and she decided to write a poem. And she is amazed about the number of books in various shapes and forms. Fantasy books, writer-proof books, science books, books of craft, books of facts or of life, books on vocabulary, or you can say dictionaries, are available in the book shop. And the poet claims that every book in the bookshop is interesting, even a rhyme book also. Fine, understood? What type of books are there? Story book, science book, craft book, fact, real life book, dictionaries, rhyme book, pictures books. These books are available in that shop, and that is why the poet asks us to take our time, sit and choose the book. The first question answer I have already given. Now I'm going to send you the answer of this question. You write down in your FNB nicely. Okay.